Hi everyone, we're going to find the first term and common difference of the arithmetic sequence. And this is where the 15th term is 0 and the 40th term is negative 50. And then we're going to write a recursive and explicit formula. So let me show you where I get this. So this is some sequence, and in this long sequence we have so many terms. Our 15th term is 0, so if we have this long list, and in our 40th term is going to be negative 50. So we need to find our first term and our common difference. So I use this formula here, and I wrote a sub 15, that's my n, the nth term, is my first term plus n minus 1 times d. Well, my number of terms is 15, so that's 15 minus 1, and that gives me my 14. All right, so this number here will always be 1 less because of this n minus 1. All right, now that we have that, I did the same thing with the second equation. So we have a plus 14d equals 0, and a plus 39d equals negative 50. All right, we have a system of linear equations. I'm going to use elimination and eliminate the a by subtracting. So if I subtract 14d minus 39d, that's negative 25d. And 0 minus a negative 50 is going to be positive 50. So d is negative 2. Now to find a, your first term, just plug it into one of these equations. So I'll just put a, I'll do the first one. 14 times negative 2 equals 0. So a minus 28 equals 0. Add 28 to both sides. So a is 28. So we did the first part. We found the first term and the common difference. Now we're going to write the recursive formula. All right, so a was 28 and our d was negative 2. So here's your recursive formula. You're just going to write this out like that. You're going to write a sub n equals a sub n minus 1, and then just add your common difference, or in this case subtract it, so it's going to be minus 2. And that's how easy that one is. The explicit formula is a little harder, not much. So we're going to just write a sub n equals your first term plus n minus 1 times your common difference. Now simplify this. Just distribute here. You get minus 2n plus 2. So we just have to add those two and we're done. So a sub, and I'm saying sub for subscript, a sub n equals 30 minus 2n. This is your nth term. You can call this your nth term or your explicit formula. They both mean the same thing. Okay, so that's your explicit formula there. This is your recursive, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.